Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you follow me on Instagram at nadianice.hair. Today's client is my little sis, and it's been a while since I retwisted her hair. I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. Be sure to follow her on Instagram as well at Dear Thick Locks. So we're going to jump right into this video. I started off by giving her a good wash, a good condition. Next, I used some of my Carib Roots oil, my handmade organic oil with herbs that I use on all of my clients. It just seals in that moisture. It adds moisture to your locks and to your scalp. And then I just like to massage it into the scalp and into the hair. So next, we're going to get right into this lock maintenance, and we're going to start off by retwisting her locks. Now, I did 2-strand twists in the back and in the front, like as far as the bangs are. They're two-strand twisted. And in the middle, upper middle portion of her hair, I just did a simple retwist, and I used clips to hold the locks in place. I don't know if many people use these black strips, but I like to use it just to lay down her edges, make sure everything is in place, everything is neat. I sat her under the dryer until her hair was completely dry. And next I'm just going to remove all of the clips from her locks. And again, I'm going to use my Carib Roots handmade organic oil with herbs. So I started her locks in February 2017. So they're 3 years in now, and I'm just so proud of her journey and how far they've come and how long they've gotten and how healthy they are. You may also recognize her from my video, my behind the scenes hair magazine photo shoot video. She was my model. So her photos actually ended up in Sophisticate's Black Hair magazine June 2019. Woo woo! So next, you guys, I'm going to be putting the top portion of her hair that is not 2-strand twisted into 2 pigtails because I will be making lock petal buns. Now, it's funny because she wanted 2-strand twisted, 2-strand twist all over, but I had this style in mind for her before she even came over. So I kind of talked her into it, and she was so down for letting me be creative and just being able to do my own thing as far as styling goes, and I appreciate that. So, um, I began doing the petals. Now her hair is pretty long. Her pigtails are pretty long. So instead of doing one loop and securing it with a rubber band, I actually had to take her locks and kind of make 2 loops out of each lock. I know that doesn't really make sense, but hopefully you can see once I start on the second ponytail. So right here, you'll see in just a second. Here I just added my Naughty hair gem, my handmade lock jewelry that I make. So I'm taking her lock, bending it in half, securing that portion with the rubber band, and then I'm taking the second part of her lock and doing the same thing. So that's what I mean by her locks are long and I have to make 2 loops out of it to form the lock petal. So here I did it again. Now, if I wanted to, I could just make 1 loop, but just know that they won't really be lock buns. The petals won't stand up like I envisioned. They would have fell flat and been kind of floppy, which, I mean, that's still a look. It's still giving a look. However, it's not the look that I envisioned and the look that I wanted for this style. So I'm going to continue making these loops and securing them with rubber bands to form these petals until this pony is completely done. So stay tuned, guys. And we are back. Here's how these buns turned out. They came out so cute. I love the result of these buns. And I'm so happy that I didn't do 1 loop and I did 2 because they are sitting. I love it. So as you can see, the 2-strand twists are in the back. And I did a few in the front. I think I did about 3 on each side in the front. And next, to finish this look, of course I have to lay down the edges just a tad, just a little bit. Nothing too serious. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video, especially if you have locks or you're a stylist. Be sure to follow me at nadianice.hair on Instagram and subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments below if there's any styles that you like to see me do. Let me know if you like this style. What do you think about this style? And thanks again for watching. I love you guys and be safe. I'll see you in the next video.